Welcome back to Engineered Coffee. Last time, I told you how we abandoned the gasket solution, redesigned the capsule geometry, and finally got back into the market, just in time to be joined by a new player, Ethical Coffee, launched by none other than the ex-CEO of Nespresso. Things were heating up, literally, and Nespresso, they were not done yet. This episode is called The Blunt Truth, because Nespresso's next move was just that, blunt. Their next countermeasure? They redesigned the piercing needles inside the machines. Previously, these piercing elements were sharp, designed to slice into aluminium, and plastic and PLA capsules could still handle that kind of force and create clean holes for brewing with the correct design in the back part of the capsule. My capsule had a specific piercing area designed to be extremely thin at that part, around 1/4 millimeter thick, and support structures to help keep it stiff enough. So what did they do? They blunted the needles. Not only they blunted them, but they actually made them L-shaped. And they barely penetrated anything unless it was soft, malleable aluminum. And that's exactly what their capsules were made from. The result? For anyone using a plastic or PLA capsule, we had inconsistent piercing, tiny, irregular holes, weak or completely blocked flow, and a total brew failure again. This wasn't a design improvement. This was just another booby trap for third-party capsules. So, back to the drawing board again. This time I came up with something radical, something we'd later call the open capsule. Instead of trying to control whether it would pierce, I redesigned the back of the capsule entire. We introduced a molded shower head pattern integrated into the capsule body to distribute water evenly across the coffee bed without needing the machine's piercing system at all. It worked, and it worked brilliantly. The brew was balanced, rich, full of crema, and in a blind taste test in Europe, our capsule actually beat Nespresso's own original, thanks to the even saturation and optimal extraction that the shower head design delivered. Sales spiked, and acceptance grew. It felt like we'd finally cracked the code, but of course there was a catch. This open capsule design offered zero oxygen barrier. No seal, no foil, no protection. That meant every capsule had to be individually wrapped to keep the coffee fresh and aromatic. From a manufacturing standpoint, this added a lot of complexity, cost, and a whole new set of headaches. Wrapping machines, foil laminates, quality control. We're all now in the business of packing engineering, not just coffee. But at least the coffee tasted great, and the people were taking notice. Next time, I'll talk about how we tried to solve the barrier problems and the crazy material science journey that followed. This is Engineered Coffee. I'm Anthony Kay, and if you're enjoying the ride, hit the subscribe button, share it with your team, and keep building things that matter.